My name is Dr. Rotimi Alabi. I am the founder and managing director of RAB Microfluidics. I want you all to imagine you spend £10 million on a machine, a beverage processing plant, for example. If you do, you'll want to know that this machine is running well and is running efficiently. But more importantly, you want to know when this machine will break down, so you can plan maintenance. At the moment, there is no easy way for you to find out when this machine will break down. It is an expensive lottery. One way to find out when this machine will break down is to take a sample of oil that lubricates this machinery to a commercial laboratory to get crucial machine health information, usually at a huge monetary expense and the risk that the machine will break down before the results come back. Industrial businesses lost £2.1 billion last year alone on uninsurable downtimes and breakdowns due to this inefficient process, in addition to spending £2 billion to diagnose machine failure early. Having identified these pain points and the huge unmet needs, we have developed a solution. Yes, we have compacted the entirety of a commercial laboratory into this slim, elegant device. We call it a lab on a chip. This device will tell you when your machine will develop a fault, and early too, so you can plan maintenance. The benefits are instantaneous. For a company like Maersk Shipping, we will save £2 million annually on sampling costs alone. The main benefits are automation and digitization of oil analysis, real-time measurement for any diagnosis of machine failure, loop oil data trending, predictive analytics, and predictive maintenance. While the application of this technology spreads across industries such as oil and gas exploration and production, our first-tier target markets are original equipment manufacturers and the maritime industry. By leasing our online devices directly to shipping vessel operators and OEMs, we will generate a revenue of over £400,000 in the first full year of commercialization and scale this up to £9 million by year 5 from just one customer, Maersk Shipping, with potential to generate significantly higher revenues when we have penetrated other customer segments. This business model, where we will lease our hardware device for £4,000 annually and offer subscription for our predictive maintenance service, will enable us export to global markets. We have built a passionate and driven team, supported by 3 non-executive directors and a core team with over 150 years worth of experience and expertise in the knowledge that underpins this technology, business startup, and commercialization to achieve our sales targets. There is no doubt we will face competition from mobile equipment vendors such as Pekin Elmer and commercial laboratories like Intertech. But we have a superior proprietary and patented technology that allows us monitor the health condition of a machine 1,000 times faster and 10 times cheaper than commercial laboratories or existing oil condition monitoring techniques. RAB Microfluidics has been in existence for 4 years, and in that time we have achieved significant milestones. We have raised over £1.7 million of funding in grants, competition wins, private investment, and customer revenue. This funding has allowed us to develop a prototype device that completely automates the process of laboratory oil analysis. This first-of-its-kind technology presents a game changer in the business models of companies such as Caterpillar and Repsol, so much so that Repsol have paid RAB Microfluidics £90,000 to be the first to have our prototype for pilot testing. Repsol have committed another £30,000 to be paid at the end of the pilot testing, and I am delighted to announce that we have started pilot testing with Repsol. Other companies like Caterpillar, Chrysler, Notlink Ferries, and Ineos have also committed to paid pilots, with a further £30,000 to be paid by these companies. We are currently completing a £1 million seed investment to develop a production product, manufacture this product, and go to market with the first version of this product in the 4th quarter of 2021. However, we are now seeking to establish new relationships for our next round, where we will seek £2 million to scale our business globally. The most likely route of exit for our investors will be a trade sale to a customer like the lubricant manufacturer Repsol or the OEM Caterpillar, with potential for multiple exits through a group structure to maximize return on investment for our investors. Our ambition as a company is to develop smarter sensor technologies and have these technologies on every new and existing heavy machinery in the world. This way, we can guarantee equipment reliability and a predictive maintenance future. And I strongly believe that you can help us achieve this. Thank you.
You're piloting with equipment manufacturers and operators. Did you consider the alternative route of existing oil condition monitoring service companies?
Yes. So the current profile of customer targets that we have looked at, the retrofit market, there's a large retrofit market, and there's original equipment manufacturers, and we're targeting those two markets. With service providers that potentially service industries like the wind sector, we have targeted them, but we are not currently pilot testing with them.
Could you explain a little bit more about the pilot trial? And that's from Beverly Gower-Jones.
Thank you for the question, Beverly. The pilot trial we're having with Repsol currently, they have a device with them and they're currently testing it with a number of lubricating oils within their facility. And we have had promising results from that. So that is encouraging for us. We are looking to commence pilot testing with Ineos and Notlink ferries within the next 2 weeks.
And then briefly from Mark Redshaw, he's asking, what properties of the oil and lubes are you monitoring?
Thank you, Mark, for the question. We're looking at 6 main components that will tell the end user about 3 failure modes: degradation of the oil, contamination of the oil, and wear of the oil. And those 6 components are metals, acid number, base number, water contamination, insoluble content, and viscosity.
Great. Thanks very much for your answers, Rotimi, to the questions. Thanks a lot.